So today I'm trying the Laced Hair Care Hydrating Oil. First time ever trying this. I obviously need something in my hair. I have no products in right now. This is just natural hair. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna rub it in. It smells so good. Okay. It is so soft. Like, I want to put this on my skin a little bit too. Wow. I can definitely feel the moisture just going right in, which is so nice because I am a bit frizzy. Oh, wait, a little more. Yeah, 10 out of 10. I love this. How nice. It smells like I'm at the beach. Wow.